2026 Lincoln Coupe EV is designed as a symbol of futuristic luxury with a focus on aerodynamic design, advanced technology, and sustainability. The exterior blends dynamic, sleek lines with Lincoln's signature elegance. The traditional grille is replaced by an interactive LED panel that displays a distinctive lighting pattern, emphasizing the vehicle's identity as a premium electric vehicle. Ultra-thin LED or laser-based headlights provide high-precision lighting while adding a modern aesthetic. From the side, the 2026 Lincoln Coupe EV features a bold, flowing shoulder line, reinforcing a sporty yet classy feel. Frameless doors with hidden handles create a clean, futuristic look, while panoramic glass extends from front to back to create a sense of spaciousness. Large, geometrically designed wheels made from lightweight materials such as aluminum or carbon fiber add to the vehicle's efficiency and performance. At the rear, the vehicle is sleekly designed with horizontally extending LED taillights for a wide, modern look. A small integrated spoiler and aerodynamic diffuser enhance the sporty appeal while supporting efficiency. A hidden charging port and an illuminated logo with a charging indicator function complete the futuristic design. Overall, the 2026 Lincoln Coupe EV represents the evolution of electric vehicles that combines technology, luxurious aesthetics, and efficiency in one visionary whole.